want to say hello? Cleveland rocks! Cleveland rocks!
Really critical question. How did we get here? How did we get here?
Please repeat after me. With this ring, I marry you and pledge you my love now and forever.
With this ring, now you gotta help me, sir.
Let's go one more.
Okay.
I started to think, well, why did I get married? Maybe there's the root. And then I realized that the reason I got married was because I thought she was rich. In 1977, she was driving a car that was made in 1977. That was the first clue.
Katie is my oldest child, and in oldest child fashion, Katie is a rules follower. She listens to her mother, she takes my advice to heart, and for example, when she started dating, I told her that before making a serious commitment, you need to see the boy in all 4 seasons. The summer laid-back beach guy can become an anxious, light-deprived grouch in winter. Basically, I was advising a 12-month trial period. Well, January marked Katie and Mike's 12-year anniversary. I guess Mike finally got spring right.
Wait, hold on, I missed your alligator fish. Do it one more time. Sick.
You silly savage.
Katie, there's no doubt your dad would be proud of the woman you've become. But more importantly, he would be so happy to see how happy you are.
We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate a moment more than 12 years in the making, or 11, depending on how you count. The marriage of Catherine Louise Callahan and Michael Stephen Lekes. This is not the beginning of a new relationship, but an acknowledgement of the next chapter in their lives together. Do you, Katie, take Mike to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better and for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish as long as you both shall live?
I do.
I do. Oh wait, no, sorry.
Do you, Mike,
I thought you were singing.
take Katie to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish as long as you both shall live?
I do.
I do.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
And now I would like to ask you all to raise your glass to toast Katie and Mike. May all the love, support, and happiness you feel today stay with you always. And as the great Dr. Seuss said, you know you're in love when you can't fall asleep because your reality is better than your dreams. Here's to continuing to live your best reality.
I'm in love, so deep in love.
As you know, we are missing my dad tonight. Everything I've planned for this weekend, I've hoped to follow from his example of how to be a good host and throw a fun party. I'm not able to share a dance with my dad tonight, so I want to share it with you all. Anyone who's willing and able, take your time, make your way up to the dance floor, and join us. Thank you.